Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious food. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious chicken wings barbecue. All right, guys, you guys gonna love it. All right. Hey guys, would you like to cook with me? All right, but don't be afraid. Guys. All right, let's go. Look my table. How colorful and busy. All right. Your table can be very colorful and very busy. All right? All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table. All right? If you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I will be right here to entertain you. All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here to make this delicious recipe. All right, I have a half cup of marinated teriyaki. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I have a 1/4 cup of white wine. You guys can use any white wine you want it. Very good. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of steak sauce, 1 cup of regular teriyaki. I have 6 chicken wings, plus I have 6 chicken legs. Also, I have 2 tablespoons of onion powder. I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. I have 4 tablespoons of garlic powder to bring the flavor together. All right, guys, very good. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of thyme. Very good. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys. Don't be afraid. Guys. All right, let's go. I'll be back very shortly. Welcome back. All right, let's mix it up all these ingredients. All right. First, I'm gonna start with my teriyaki sauce. If you need more, just add it. Very good. My steak sauce. Very good. All right. Very good. Now, my soy sauce. Very good. That's my wine. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Now this is my black pepper. Bingo! All right, very good. This is my marinated teriyaki. Right? Very good. All right. Very good. This is my onion powder. This is gonna taste delicious. This is my garlic powder. Very good. This is my thyme. And this is my hot sauce. If you want more spice, just add it more. Very good. And this is my Worcestershire. Very good. All right. So now, let me mix up this, all right, very well and very carefully. All right. All right. Looking good. Let's make sure if everything is well mixed. All right. So let me mix it up this. All right. I'll be back very shortly. All right. Welcome back. Very good. So my marinated, it's ready. You guys can see, nice and gloss. All right. So this type of barbecue chicken I'm making, you guys have to leave at least 6 hours marinated. All right, or overnight, but 6 hours it's enough. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my chicken and I'm gonna put in the bag. That's where I'm gonna marinate it for. I'm gonna do for overnight, right? Very good. You guys doesn't have the plastic bag, you guys can put in any container and put some foil in the top. Very good. All right. Very good. So now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pour all my marinated sauce in the chicken. All right? Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right, my marinated is already in my bag. All right, so now I'm gonna take the air out. Just roll. All right, roll like that, and just mix it up very well. See, very good. Please bring the camera here. It's a nice air marinade. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in my refrigerator. All right, and I see you in a little bit. All right, guys, it's ready. All right, it was overnight. Very good. All right, I'm sure this is gonna taste delicious. All right, guys, you guys ready? You want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, let's cook these babies. All right, very good. Right here. Wow, it smells all over the marinated. Very good, guys. All right, my barbecue is already preheat. Right, let's cook these babies. Very good. All right, that's looking good. It's looking very good. All right. All right, guys, let me put these babies here. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, time to check. Very good. All right, it's looking good. It's cooking. Very good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook this halfway. All right, and I'm gonna let finish in my oven. All right, 350. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, now it's halfway cooked. You guys can see. All right, so I'm gonna put these babies in the oven for 350. All right, so very good. All right, it's looking beautiful and smell all over my backyard. Very good. All right, so let's bring these babies to the oven. All right, very good. See you very shortly. Very good. All right, it's looking good. My oven is preheated to 350. All right. but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I see you very shortly. Hey, welcome back. Very good. Time to check. Ooh la la. All right, very good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. But, all right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I'll be back very shortly. Hey, guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 2 more minutes. And I'll be right back. Hey, guys, all right. Very good. Hey, guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, very good. Please take a look. Bring the camera together. Very good. All right, that looks and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, very good. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Cheers.